welcome to my channel. I'm Jagushani. Today's video is a hairstyle video. So I'm going to show you 3 hairstyles that you can do with a fancy bejeweled headband. And the headband that I'm going to use for this hairstyle is this one. Isn't it absolutely pretty? So I mean, it's a gorgeous headband. So I'm just going to show you the kind of hairstyles you can do if you have a headband like this at home, or you want to jazz up your hairstyle for a party or any fun occasion with headband. This headband trend has been going on for quite some time. I actually showed it in my get ready with me for my birthday video. I got it for my birthday, so do check that out after you watch this video. It will be in the description box down below, the link of it. So as I was saying, this headband trend is going on for quite some time, and I'm going to show you 3 hairstyles that you can do with a fancy headband. I just feel that headband just jazzes up your whole hairstyle, and you really do not need to put in too much effort to get ready for a party or any occasion that just calls for a fun hairstyle. So I think that a headband, if you have a headband like this at home, then, or if you just decide to buy one after watching this video, then you can actually get ready for a party without putting in a lot of effort. So the best thing about these hairstyles is that they're super simple, because since this is a very gorgeous piece, so this is the center of attention in the whole hairstyle. So the whole idea is that the headband is the center of attention of the hairstyles, so you keep the hairstyle as simple as possible so that it accentuates the headband the most. So the things that you're going to be needing for this hairstyle are bobby pins, hairband, and the headband, of course. So I just hope that you really like this video, because these are hairstyles that are super fancy, that look super fancy but are super easy to do and goes with any type of attire if you are just looking to dress up for an occasion. So let's begin. it, guys. I hope that you like this video, and I really hope that you try any one of those hairstyles. To be honest, these hairstyles will look pretty good even if you don't have a super fancy headband like this. It will go great with a floral headband, with a boho chic sort of a hair accessory. So if you have any fancy headband like accessory at home, it will go great with that. So let me know if you're going to try any of these at home. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.